Is the complete system of iTherapeutics as one admin tool for Unity Health project. We've been developed on two main modules of company staff account module and banner rotator module. This is the banner rotator maintenance list page that contain all information, and this is the company staff module we integrate together, so it can link from one to one module, and this contain all information that user created of company staff account. This that have function to search for company staff account by first name. Actually, I example of searching of name Harindu, so we contain all information of Harindu name, and we click on clear, so it's back to the normal. Go back to banner rotator module. The content of information from user created of banner rotator. So this also have the function can search by the name of banner rotator. Example, I give search by the baby, as we contain all the name of the banner rotator that give baby and child health. And then I hit on clear, so it's back to banner rotator maintenance list, and I can delete the banner rotator, so it will pop up to confirmation am I to delete the banner rotator, and then I click OK, and then it disappear. Next, we head to Harindu to present the banner rotator maintenance.
Thank you, Vishwat. I'm Harindu, and I'll be explaining the banner rotator maintenance list. These will be our slideshows that we are already hard-coded. So I'll be explaining how to create a new and then edit as well. The user will be once the user click on new, it will be navigated to this page where we have the hard-coded the banners in the table database. So we'll start with an slideshow, and then we do have some validations over here. The user won't be able to use a backdate, as it will come up with a pop-up and error message saying choose a valid starting date. Likewise, we do have it same over the end date as well. So now we will choose a date in the future and then end date as well. Here we will be able to select, the user will be able to select active or inactive, which can be by ticking this. And then we do have able to display randomly another variable as given in our requirements. And then most importantly, these are our existing banners, and then user will be able to select whichever the user's choice and edit as well. We can have multiple banners as well, and then save as well. So at the moment I'm going to have a single banner and then save. It will be created successfully. Then we can check as we have the new slideshow which is created today. I'll edit this as well, and then as and then here I'll have the date as on 27th and future date as well. And most importantly, we will be able to remove the banner and then select a different banner and update the slideshow. It will update it. And so what happens here is this will update the take the existing banner ID and create a new slideshow ID in our database, table slideshow banner table, and also update the table slideshow table as well. And now I'll hand it over to Biraj to talk more about the company staff module. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Harindu, and hi everyone. I'm Biraj Podel. I'll be explaining new and edit functionality of company staff module. When we hit a new button, it will take us to this form page where we can add different data of the company user to make an company user and save it. So we have validation for the company staff module as well. For example, if we put just different email that doesn't work and hit create, it will give me these alert, and I have those ones, those validation for others field as well. And here we have title and all those drop down menus which we have gotten out of from our database. So for now I'll just fill up the form, and after filling up the form I'll hit create. Here I have completed filling out all the information about this form, and when I hit create, it will say new user created successfully, and it will, here we can see the user that has been created. Now if I want to edit this user, I'll hit edit, and for example I want to change the name from Biraz to something else, for example let's say Suman, and then save it and update it. It will say, are you sure you want to update this user? And when you hit OK, and it will say new user updated successfully. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you very much.